In this video, I will show you how to create a custom flat rate shipping rate in Shopify. And in this example, I would like to offer free shipping on Canadian orders over $100. So to add the custom rate, let's log into Shopify admin account, then go to settings, then look for shipping and delivery. Then under the shipping at the very top, let's click on the general profile. And then in my case, let's locate the Canadian shipping zone right here. Then let's click on add rate. Now we're presented with two options. The first one is to use the flat rate, and the second one is to use the carrier. We're going to use the first option. Now we have to select the shipping rate. Currently, we're presented with express and standard. But in my case, I would like to offer expedited shipping. So in this case, I have to select custom. Now let's add the custom rate name. Expedited shipping trackable. Next, we have an option here is to add the delivery description. In this example, let's just add the estimated delivery time. So for domestic shipment, it's going to be 3 to 4 business days. Then for the rate price, we can keep it at $0. And we have to add the condition. And since I would like to offer free shipping over $100, the condition is going to be based on the order price. And we have to put for the minimum price as $100. So in other words, the subtotal has to be $100 or more. Now, this is the preview. This is what should look like in the checkout. Then press done and save changes. So the rate has been saved. Now let me go ahead and just add a few more quantities to my cart so that the subtotal is over $100. In my case, the subtotal is $120. Next, let's press on checkout. And right here, as you can see, this is the shipping rate. Expedited shipping, trackable, free shipping, delivery 3 to 4 business days. And pretty much the same process applies if I would like to offer free shipping to the United States and the rest of the world. So that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.